Hey friends, I'm Schaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews channel. So in this video today, I will review a 7-inch portable car screen from the Plimpton brand, and it's called L1. Now, the screen can be used in any car with a cigarette lighter power source, and it is ideal for cars that don't have any screen or for cars that do have a screen but it's not a smart multimedia screen. So this screen can be used to connect to the wireless Apple CarPlay, the wireless Android Auto, and even mirror the screen of your mobile onto this portable 7-inch screen. So now let's first do the quick unboxing to check out the contents in the box, and then I will switch this on and start testing the different functions and features and the applications of this L1 7-inch portable car screen from Plimpton. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so this is all you get inside the box. We get the standard user manual. We also get the power adapter. This is a cigarette lighter power adapter with a long cable. We also get the aux audio cable in case you want to connect the portable screen with the sound system of the car physically. We get the mounting bracket. This is the dashboard mounting bracket with a couple of stick-on double-sided tapes. Now this one does not come with a suction cup for the windshield connection. So if you want to connect this portable screen with the windshield, you might have to buy a separate one. And then we have the 7-inch portable CarPlay screen. Now let's have a closer look at this screen. Now, as I said, this is a very nice 7-inch size. It's a very lightweight portable screen. Now in terms of the connections, so what you have right in front is the main screen with the built-in microphone right here at the bottom. At the back, you've got this powerful built-in speaker, and this is the mounting bracket. This is where you connect the mounting bracket right in the middle. Then you get the power button right at top. Now in terms of the connections, don't have anything on the left side here, but on the right side you have all the connections. So you have the first connection, which is the 3.5mm audio jack. Then we have the SD memory card, and then we have the AV in to connect the backup or the reverse camera, and then finally the Type-C for power. So not a lot of connections, a standard device with the standard connections. Again, it's a very small and compact portable screen, very strong built-in speaker as well. Now let me connect this, and then we start testing the different functions and features of this Plimpton L1 7-inch portable CarPlay screen. Alright friends, so I've switched on this 7-inch portable CarPlay screen. Now it's a very nice size, and you can set this up in different locations in your car. You can set this up right in the middle of the dashboard. That's the ideal location for these portable car screens, but you can also set this up on either sides, right in front of the steering wheel or on the extreme right side. Now what comes inside the box is a dashboard mounting bracket, so it makes it very easy for this portable screen to sit on the dashboard. Alright, so as I said earlier, looks very nice. It's a very nice 7-inch portable screen. Now I've been testing a lot of big screens on my channel, like the 9.3 or the 10-inch screens on my channel, and I often wonder, what would people do if they don't have a lot of space on the dashboard. So if you don't have a lot of space, or if you don't really like big screens, then this 7-inch is an ideal size for those people. It would definitely not block your view, which is important. Plus it will give you the full functionality of all the different functions that are important to have in the car. Alright, so now what I'll do is I'll give you a quick overview of the layout here, and then we start testing the different functions and features. So what you get on the screen top left is the volume indicator. Now this portable screen comes with different ways to connect to the audio, and I'll show you later on in this audio output. Then you've got the date and time on top. Right at the bottom you've got the volume adjustment. Then you've got the home button. This is the home screen. You can connect the screen with your mobile through the Bluetooth for making calls or listening to music. You have the settings section, and then the brightness here. You can adjust the brightness of the screen. So if you click on the settings, you get to see the basic setup settings. So you've got the touchscreen calibration. You can restore the factory settings. You can set the camera settings. So now you can connect the parking or the backup or the reverse camera with this screen, and then make some of those adjustments, add line calibrations and so on. And then you've got settings to the sound system. So equalizer settings here, you can set the sound system, sound settings. Then you've got the display here. So within display you can adjust the brightness and contrast and some of the other display settings. And then finally you've got the language. So this portable screen comes with quite a few of the different languages, so English, Chinese, French, German, Arabic. You can see so many of the different languages are available here as well. So these are all the different settings option available on the screen. So if you click on this, it brings us back to the home page. So in the main section, you've got the icon for the wireless CarPlay, then the wireless Android Auto, and then mobile screen mirroring for both the iPhone as well as the Android mobiles. And then finally, this is where you have the audio output area. So if you click here, you get to see there are 4 options to connect the audio. One is you can use the built-in speakers on this portable screen. So right at the back of this screen, you've got the built-in powerful speakers, and I can tell you those are very powerful. You can just use the built-in speakers, which is this section here. You can also connect this portable screen through the aux audio cable, the physical cable from this portable screen to the aux slot in your car. Or if you don't want to connect it physically, you can also use the wireless function. So the FM transmission is one wireless function, and basically what you need to do is you just need to select one of the FM frequencies on this screen and then match the same FM frequency on the radio of your car. And as soon as you do that, the audio will be linked from this portable screen to the sound system of your car. And then finally you've got this original Bluetooth connectivity, and this works through the CarPlay and the Android Auto. So what you need to do is when you connect it through the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto, you can also connect the Bluetooth sound system of your car to the mobile. So all the audio will be then linked to the sound system of the car. So different ways to connect the sound system. I honestly like the local or the built-in speakers. They're quite powerful. I don't really need to connect it with any external or the sound system of the car. So back to the home page. Alright, so these are the 4 on the main page, but if you swipe it to the left, you get to see some other options here as well. So BT Music, this is once you connect the screen with your mobile through the Bluetooth. You can also access the SD memory card, and then you have the rear camera option here as well. So once you connect the backup or the reverse camera, you can actually get the footage from that camera through this icon here. So these are the different functions and features. Now what I'll do is, in order to test the performance of this 7-inch Plimpton portable car screen, I will start testing the different functions available here, starting with the Apple CarPlay. Alright, so the first thing I would like to do is actually connect this screen to the wireless Apple CarPlay. So what we do is actually click on this CarPlay function. We get the instructions on the screen here, and what we need to do is actually go to the iPhone. I've got my iPhone here, go to the settings, open the Bluetooth here, and then within the Bluetooth I need to look for this new device called CarKit A3A3. So we click on this, and then pair the device, allow it to sync contacts and favorites, and then use CarPlay. So that's it, just a few messages here, and then as soon as you click messages, you get to see Apple CarPlay. It's very, very quick to connect, and again, this is a one-time connection. You just need to establish the connection between your iPhone and this portable screen once, and then every time you come into the car, you will get an option of directly going into the Apple CarPlay system without doing this connection again. So as you saw, it's very quick to connect. Now this is the home page of the Apple CarPlay system. Now this is the home page of the Apple CarPlay system, and this is the split screen view. You get to see the navigation here, and then the media and the calendar on the right side. You also see some of the shortcuts here, so some navigation, music, calling. And if you want to see the full screen of this navigation, you just need to click on that app, and then you get to see the full screen view of that navigation. And we can go and select one of the locations, and it's very quick to work, right? It's quite quick. So as soon as you click on any of the buttons, it's very, very quick to load. And you can obviously use the audio guidance controls here. You can switch it on or switch it off, but it looks very nice, as you can see. And the good thing is, as you see, the screen is very responsive, which is very important, especially for navigation. So it's a very responsive screen. Navigation works quite nicely. So all in all, I really like the the connection with Apple CarPlay One. It's extremely quick to connect, and the layout looks very nice. The color combination and the icons and the text is coming out very nicely. It's extremely clear. I've tested some other screens where it's not very nice. Sometimes it's a bit stretched, but in this particular case, it's very nice. Alright, so now let's try to connect the wireless Android Auto. So we click on this. Again, we get all the instructions on the page on how to connect this. I've got my Android mobile here. We just need to go to the Bluetooth section and add a new device. And we should be able to see this new device as CarKit A3A3. So pair the device. That's it. So it's connecting. So we should be able to see the home page of the Android system on the screen any second now. There you go. So this is the home page of the wireless Android Auto. It's very quick to connect, and again, it's a one-time connection. You just need to establish the connection from your Android mobile to the portable screen once through the Bluetooth connectivity, and then every time you switch in the car, you will get an option of directly going into the Android Auto system, which looks like this. And it's very similar to the Apple CarPlay. You've got the navigation here, you've got media running on the right side, and then you've got shortcut icons here. Again, you can use a voice command to the Google Assistant on this platform as well. You've got shortcut icons appearing here. If you click on this navigation, you get to see the full page navigation on this, and I can tell you the screen is quite responsive, and you're operating Android Auto just like Apple CarPlay, which is very important for any such screen. If you click on this button here, this will give you the split screen view, and if you click it again, you get to see all the different applications that are available and compatible to the Android Auto system. And you can see it looks very nice. You can actually go to the settings option and change the look and feel. You can change the icons and the wallpaper, but what I wanted to see was whether we can connect to the wireless Android Auto system on this portable screen, and we can, and it's very quick to connect as well. Alright, so now let's exit this system. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, this portable screen has this option of playing video or audio files through the SD memory card, and I've already inserted my MicroSD card. We can go to this section here, and this is where we will see all the content or the files are available on the SD memory card. I've got quite a few video files that I want to test here. I'll try this full HD 60 frames per second video. Alright, so it's very nice. In terms of the quality of the screen, I can tell you it's extremely clear. It's very nice. The brightness and the colors are very good. I'm not sure if the camera is doing justice in capturing the quality of the screen here, but I can tell you it's extremely clear. It's very nice. You can see the colors, and it's very smooth. It doesn't, and though this is a full HD 60 frames per second video, it doesn't lag or drop any frames. It's very smooth. Alright, so as I mentioned earlier, this portable screen has this very nice feature called mobile screen mirroring. So what it would do is basically mirror the screen of your mobile onto this portable screen. So what we need to do is go to the phone link, and now you can do that on both iPhones as well as on Android mobiles. I've got my iPhone, so I'll test it on my iPhone. So what we need to do is click on this mirror, and then we get the instructions on how to connect that. Basically, we need to go and click to the Wi-Fi section and then connect the Wi-Fi of this portable screen here. It's called CarPlay Wi-Fi A3A3. Click on this. We would need the password, which is 128. Right, and then we join, and then we will see that it gets connected. As soon as it's connected, what we need to do is actually go to the drop down command center and click on mobile screen mirroring, and then select this car. And now in a few seconds we should be able to see that the screen of my mobile gets mirrored on the portable screen here, just like that. So it's very easy, very quick. I really like this function. It allows you to have all your content from the mobile mirrored on the portable screen here. It's a very quick one. And you can see it doesn't lag. That's more important to see, right? It doesn't have much lag. When you move the screen of your mobile, the screen here also moves at the same time. So that's it, friends. This was a quick review of this 7-inch portable CarPlay screen. We've tested different functions and features, and everything worked quite well. And there was not a single glitch or issue when I was testing this. CarPlay, Android Auto, mobile screen mirroring, SD video, playback, everything worked quite well. Quite happy with the performance. Again, it's an ideal product for people who don't have a screen in their car, or if they have a screen, it's not a smart multimedia screen. So highly recommended for all those people. So if you like it, if you want to buy this 7-inch portable CarPlay screen, just go to the link in the description of this video. It will take you directly to the official store where you can buy this Plimpton L1 7-inch portable screen. That's it, friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys.